channel. It is Sunday. Welcome back to another Sunday reset. I'm so ready to get this house in order and get ready for the week. The girls been talking about they not really feeling doing all day stuff on Sundays anymore, but baby, I'm still a Sunday girl. But feel free to play this video anytime you getting your life together, any day of the week, it don't matter. But today we have a lot on the agenda. First things first, let's go downstairs. I love to start in the kitchen. I just feel like when the kitchen is together, I'm together. So let's go into the kitchen. We got some groceries in, not that much, because I've been doing a little bit every day, so my Sundays aren't as loaded as they used to be. So my Sundays are semi-relaxed, semi-getting my life together, and I'm really feeling that. So yeah, okay, I'm downstairs in the kitchen, and I did a semi-grocery, is this like a grocery, I want to say haul, but I bought some groceries online, girl. I did like a big grocery haul from Costco halfway through the month, so I didn't get a lot of stuff. I just re-upped on small things. We ran out of bagels. I got some bagels, some bagel thins for myself, and this is hubby's favorite sausage patties. They ran out of it in Publix, but I got it from Kroger. Some cheese for the kids' quesadillas and some bacon. And hubby bought some flowers for me, so I'm gonna put them in a vase a little bit later. But overall, the kitchen needs to get itself together, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these groceries up, and we're gonna clean the kitchen. We had a slow morning this morning with hubby cooking breakfast. And also, girl, the kitchen been a mess for a couple of days now, so I am happy to get it where it needs to be. Alright, you guys, I just did the best I can downstairs. A little Sunday reset, not too much. We're making good time. It is 3 o'clock. If I can get the laundry done in 2 hours, I'll be golden. Let's vacuum. Hey you guys, I'm in the bedroom. My kids are situated. They're coloring or doing the dot thing. Child, I cleaned all the downstairs. The minute they ate their lunch, I had to re-clean. Having kids and keeping a clean house is not easy. I commend everyone that has children and keeps their house clean, including me. Okay? You're always cleaning. Always. But one of the things that's helped me a lot with keeping my home clean, I don't have that stuff. That's just helpful to me. But yeah, there's that. I went to get some new sheets for the bed. It is Sunday, so I always try to change the sheets at the top of the week. I'm gonna do that right after I tidy up this room. We're gonna go through each room and tidy each room and do the laundry in each room, because I had the kids sort their laundry. I have a 3-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 5-year-old. They do sort their own laundry. So yeah. I just made my bed the best that I could. My comforter is in a wash. All of these are new. Since it's getting kind of late, I don't want to spend my whole Sunday doing laundry, and I do laundry a little bit every day. It's 3:30. I want to be done with the kids by 4:30 because I have to take Riley's hair out. So if I can be done with the kids by preferably 30 minutes. No, 5 o'clock I want to be done. Let's try to do the kids in an hour. I feel so good because I finished at like 4:40 the kids laundry and Riley's hair. What I was saying, so now our pantry is getting redone, so we kind of have everything down here. So I'm gonna restock the kids snacks because that's all I have to stock, because we don't have a whole pantry. They have some snacks left over. Let me lower the camera so you can see better. I know I said that I got some stuff from Costco, so I get the snacks. Recently I've been getting the snacks from Costco to better budgets, but I wanted to try this Costco method that I used to do a couple of years back, where I buy in bulk so I don't have to keep buying groceries all the time, like things we're gonna use consistently. I go into my Costco stash and I replace it. So let's do that, and I think that's all I need to restock. So let me do this and then we're gonna cook. I haven't cooked all week, girl. I had a rough one. I had a very rough week. Miss Thang came and tried to take me out. Baby, she damn near took me out, okay? So I wanna get back on my cooking schedule, cooking 3 times a week. So let me restock this real quick, and yeah, we can go from there. Okay, all done. It looks a little off, but this is what we're going with, girl. This is good enough. Okay, I'm gonna cook as fast as I can. I had meat in the fridge for, don't ask me questions. It's been in the fridge. I'm gonna cook Korean beef bowl because it's easy. And the kids have swim this week, and I don't like meal prepping because I don't like doing a lot of work on Sunday, but since I did the most last week with spending my money out almost every single day, I need to get this done. So I'm gonna do marry me chicken for the first time because everybody keeps saying marry me chicken, marry me chicken. So I'm like, okay, let me try it. And I'm gonna do Korean beef bowl. Let's get that done. It's 5 o'clock. Jeez, it's 5. I'm trying to be done before 6. Because 6, I'm clocking out. Alright, you guys, the kids are eating. Here's the marry me chicken. Child, I had to stop filming after a while because I don't know what was going on with this. I think this is a fail. I missed a step. They said chicken stock. I had beef broth. I don't know. We just gonna try it out throughout the week. This rice is just rice for the whole week. This is the meal I made tonight. The kids are already eating it. They was hungry. Korean beef bowl. It's supposed to be more fancy than this, but there's a lot of the ingredients I took out, like sesame seeds and green onions and stuff like that, because the kids have to eat it. Girl, you know how that go. Sorry, you guys, my camera died. Yeah, I don't cook like every Sunday. Honestly, on Sundays, that's when I like to eat out. But because I was doing the most, I decided, I was like, okay, girl, you gonna have to cook. This marry me chicken was not healthy at all. I don't know why I didn't look through the ingredients properly. Anywho, I'll see you guys upstairs because I'm about to clock out. Whew, psych, we're not going upstairs. I just finished cleaning up the mess that I made, and I realized I never put the flowers in a new vase to move the other small flowers. I didn't fix my vitamins for tomorrow. My kids have no school tomorrow. I live in Georgia, and Georgia always has some type of break. Either who, they don't have any school tomorrow, which is good for me, so I didn't have them set up their book bags and snacks and stuff because they could do it tomorrow for Tuesday. But I still have to work out tomorrow, so I have to do things to get my week ready, which is have my vitamins ready for the week, set those flowers on the table. I'm about to put out the trash, and I'm gonna mop the floor because the kids have been in and out today, and it is 7 o'clock. I have to be in bed by 9, and I do want some time to myself, but I feel like I was very, very productive. But let's stop yapping and let's start mopping. Okay, so this is my shower combo tonight. I'm gonna first do For Your Body with Necessaire Multi-Oil Nourishing Cleanse. I really, really love this body wash. It's 2 oils together, but I just love this body wash as my first cleanse. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sol de Janeiro shower oil. And then for my hoo-ha, I'm gonna do this PhD boric acid. I'm gonna use my African net sponge for my body and the little small thing right here for my hoo-ha. I'm gonna do my feet, and then I'm gonna get back on camera to do skincare, and we're gonna take a bath tonight, and I'm really, really excited. And I've used these calm tablets before. I'm just gonna put one in the shower. We're not gonna go in the shower together tonight because I just need some alone time, you guys. I feel like I did what I had to do. Ooh, and I have forgot to put the comforter in the dryer, so I quickly went and put it in the dryer because that comforter takes forever and a day to dry. Yeah, should I take you in the shower with me? Girl, you know how people shower. They shower. Why is it not opening? Why is it so bad? I'm trying to pick a tablet. These smell so good. I don't know which one this one is, but it smells so good. So I'm gonna put this on the floor of the shower so the aroma could and hubby is doing the night routine tonight. So when I say I'm off, I'm off. I'm gonna put this floor of the shower. Let me take my shower products. I'll see you when I'm out. Okay, I'm out of the shower. That was a really, really good shower, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is wash my face, use toner. Yeah, so I'll just wash my face, double cleanse with that, and then use my toner. But I brought that up because I wanna do an eye mask. So we have the moisturizing eye mask. So I think I want to go in with there's Everything is Better in Pink. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, which is my favorite. And a Dream Come Blue. I'm gonna do Everything is Better with Pink. I bet. Yay! So let me wash my face with the Tatcha, then use the Fenty Skin and the Tatcha Essence to tone, and then I'm gonna put on the house smells like straight food, and I don't hate it. Come on, baby. The book I'm reading is I am reading Ankh Storm. I'm still reading Ankh's, is it Ankh's? Whatever. Storm, the one, book 3 of the Iron Flame series. Is it the Iron Flame series? It doesn't matter. Iron Flame, I'm reading book 3. It is a slow read for me because she took a long time to come out with book 3, and now I'm not as interested and I have to get back into the characters. But I normally read this when I'm doing my 45-minute on the Stairmaster. For some reason, I don't know what it is. Reading on the Stairmaster helps me not notice that I'm on the Stairmaster. So weird, because I be watching YouTube and stuff, but the reading really, I don't know what it is about reading, but it really engrosses me in more than, I guess, than anything else. So yeah. To bed now. I am drinking my tea. This tea, I'll put a picture on the screen. It's like tea to like make you go and like bloat and stuff. I had a blast. I got a lot done. The only thing I didn't get done is my laundry. Didn't fold them up, which is fine because I'll just fold them tomorrow. And my comforter is still not done. I probably put it in. No, I actually forgot about it, and I should have been drying it from the get-go. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I did eat. My big back was eating while I was cooking, so I ate dinner. Anywho, thank you so much for spending this Sunday with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.